It is now post time. And into the starting gate they go, middle of the Saturday card. Pepsi Family Day tomorrow, 1:30. And Memorial Day Racing Monday, 1:30. Meanwhile, for the 5th, here they are. And they're racing. Slow beginning for Lady of the Lilies. Pinch back to last. Now Goodwin is asking Lady of the Lilies to join festivities, and she revs up and goes up into third. Meanwhile, Objection pop cleanly and battles it out with Pink Lemonade. Key Affairs next to the outside of Lady of the Lilies. AJ Tango dances between runners, and Fraudulent Footnote is 5 lengths rearmost. They're off the far turn, 3/8 of a mile to go. Pink Lemonade tries to run away from Objection. Lady of the Lilies angles to the outside, and Lady of the Lilies goes on the move with AJ Tango. Fraudulent Footnote is next. Then it's Key Affair in last. They come to the top of the stretch, and Lady of the Lilies is applying pressure to Pink Lemonade. Pink Lemonade still leads on the inside. After that is AJ Tango, and Fraudulent Footnote is surging home on the outside. Pink Lemonade from Lady of the Lilies, and Pink Lemonade takes them gate to wire from Lady of the Lilies. Fraudulent Footnote finish there.